Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, 4 days after the government announced a ban on scandal bags, plastic straws and styrofoam, at least one producer of plastic says there is still some uncertainty.
Nigel Hoyo, the technical director of FlexPack, says the matter was raised with the government ahead of the announcement that the ban will take effect on January 1.
Dashan Hendricks reports.
There is apparently some uncertainty.
Nigel Hoyo, the technical director of Spanish Town St. Catherine-based plastic producer FlexPack, expressing his frustration, saying he's not clear about all the types of plastic bags that will be banned as of January 1.
We're not too sure if every bag is actually, even the printed bags, we're not even sure if these are not banned or they'll be banned. I'm not sure. This is where the uncertainty lies, for us anyway.
The announcement on Monday says single-use scandal bags of the size 24 inches by 24 inches and below will be banned, but printed bags used for packaging will be allowed. He said he's uncertain about the other types of bags that will be banned and pointed out that the legislation is yet to be drafted to bring clarity.
We have raised concerns, but the minister has already made the announcement. And I don't know if there's any further room for discussion. I hope so. Well, I believe just to get things clear.
Another uncertainty for Mr. Hoyo is how the government intends to enforce the ban on the importation of scandal bags, most of which come from China.
The customs are moving towards less and less physical examination on the wharf. This, of course, opens up a myriad of things. It is yet to be decided how, in actual fact, this is going to be done by the customs. And Bureau of Standards must get involved here too. And, of course, NEPA, being an environmental issue.
He also said while he is not against the ban, if it is being pursued because improper garbage disposal causes plastic bags to block drains, the same problem will still exist with the alternative if waste management is not improved.
We as a people are going to have to look deep into ourselves if we really want to save the planet, as the buzzword right now, save the planet. At least we can save Jamaica if only our people can adopt this new culture and new responsibility of disposing of garbage properly.
Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.